Ah, the joy of summer. And what's summer without the perfect pool? Introducing the Desert Falls Pool Model. A masterpiece not just for swimming, but an art piece for your backyard. With its impressive length of 28.975 inches and a depth reaching 61.25 inches, this beauty perfectly complements homes with moderate backyard spaces. Requiring only a 295 square feet surface area and holding 6,800 gallons of refreshing water, it falls perfectly into our medium-sized fiberglass pool category. Notice the standard hopper design? That ensures a gentle slope from the shallow to the deeper end. And if relaxation is what you're after, dive into luxurious moments with its unique tanning ledge and the deep-end swim-out bench. Every summer day feels like a vacation with a Desert Falls pool. Don't just dream about it, dive in. Desert Falls. Dive into your dream summer. San Juan Fiberglass Pools is the oldest manufacturer of fiberglass swimming pools and spas in the United States.